it's here. So, camera died and corrupted the file, so I don't really know what I was saying. I've been wanting clear lights since I really got the car, ever since the Euro taillights came out. I was like, man, I wish someone would make that for our generation. And sure, like, the best looking lights are arguably the 13, 14 OEMs, but it was like, so I just stuck with tinted stock lights, which they're fine. But I mean, these are like $500. Should I do it? Should I not? I was on the fence. I was on the fence for like a week or so, and at the end it was like, why not? I've been waiting 5 years for someone to come out with these. Might as well get them now. So yeah, I got them. And this guy interrupts me. So it was a wild day. Changing the taillights on these cars is a whole lot easier than changing the headlights. It's 3 bolts, 3 nuts, whatever. One tool, you don't even have to take the bumper off. You just slide the taillights off. It's great. So it is a little pricey, but it's easy. Anyone can do it. It's so easy. I daily my car, 9 to 5 traffic, snow, sleet, rain, sun, cold, hot. So we'll see how these taillights hold up over time. Pretty much all of them have a 1-year warranty. Again, they're all kind of the same. I'm pretty sure there's only one supplier and a handful of distributors. So they all say they have 1-year warranty under what brand? Something. It's right here under this brand. So sounds like that's the one that makes it. But if they do, ever fail after the 1 year, we could RGB them. Since I did wait about a week to get them on Instagram, I was eyeballing some people I follow, and so I messaged them. And one guy in Columbia, Riley_SVT, he said fit and finish was good, just like the OEM ones, functionality wise, just as OEM. And so I was like, well, you got them off Amazon. Which seller did you get? I got the same seller he did, just to ensure that nothing's weird. But dug into it a little bit more after I bought it, and I'm pretty sure it's all the same supplier. But shout out to Riley. Camera died, and I don't know what happened, but that's this video. We're just gonna install it. It's pretty easy. Anyone can do it. You only need like one tool. That's about it. Let's wait till all the landscaping people leave and install them. It takes like 30 minutes max. It's not hard. All right, so when you open it, pretty well packaged. You got your adapters and taillights. They look really good. They're not quite like OEM, but close enough. And today's sponsor is me. Again, just a reminder, I have banner and my logo on my Etsy page, and I just added a wheel sticker that's holographic. You can see it shifting right there. I made all these stickers. That's kind of my major that I did in college. So everyone is pretty much printed and cut by me. I had a machine, but I ran the machine. Definitely not a vehicle sticker unless it's on the inside. It does not do well in the sun. It'll fade fairly quick. So that's your warning. But yeah, cheaper in because I made them and just want to see how they do. And that's it. Just Etsy link right below. Alright, so all you need is an 11mm, and there's just 3 bolts on each taillight, and you unplug the lights. Pretty easy. Alright, so if you have a 10 to 12, before you put these on, you need to put the, I don't know what you call them, space adapter things on. It's just black plastic with 3M. Super simple to line up. So peel it off, and then you'll have to remove some of this clear protectant. Just kind of flip it up, fold it on itself, or hold it. And then end. Why was this easier on the other one? That's pretty much all there is to it. Oh, and the wiring loom has 2 indentations. Just push on those and it'll seat inside. Very easy. While you're doing that, you can plug it in. These don't snap, which is a little weird. I'm a little nervous about that because, you know, but you tug on it, it's good. No big deal, right? Ooh! So, let's see, lock? Unlock? Yo, okay, the camera is more orange, or a lot more red in person. But these are way brighter than the old taillights. Fit is decent. I don't know, I never had real lights, so I don't know what to expect, but alright, regular hazards at hazard speed. And they're sequential, okay. Cool. Let's do the other one for fun. That's what I like. So I'm gonna run these daily. My car sits outside every day, no garage. So we're gonna test the durability and see just how long these will last. Cause it has a 1-year warranty. We'll see if we can break it before then. But you know, it's pollen season, it's rain season. We'll just see what happens, and if it breaks, it breaks. But I'll keep y'all updated. But they look so good. Very pleased with this purchase. Again, I got Amazon ones. You can do eBay, you can do Stang lights on Instagram. I'm gonna say they're all the same, but you know, take your pick, they're all the same price. So effective, easy, but not too cheap of a mod, but astronomically better than the OEM 1314 lights. But with that, I'll end this. See y'all on the next one.